everyone, John Chow here from JohnChow.com, and welcome to another episode of Driving with John Chow. I want to do a little follow-up on my last drive episode where I talk about the first thing you need to make money online, and I said that it was an email list, that if you don't have one, that's the first thing you need to get before you can do anything. And I received a comment in that video from a viewer who seemed to dispute that. He said that that's not the first thing you need. He said the first thing you got to do is to sell. He says you can do anything you want, but nothing happens if you don't sell. Creating content won't matter. Delivering value won't matter. Writing emails won't matter. Writing blog posts won't matter. Nothing matters until you sell. You cannot make money online. That's what he says. So I want to talk about that, expand on that, and give you a little bit of insight because it is categorically wrong. All right. Let's first look at that. You don't make money online if you don't sell. If you look at the majority of bloggers, you look at the majority of YouTubers, you look at the majority of any content creator, you will find that they make money online by not selling. The majority of YouTubers are making money, don't sell anything. So how are they making money? It's really, really simple. You see, right now, I'm not trying to sell you anything, but if just for the fact of you watching this video, I am making money because YouTube is running an ad, either right there or below my video, or you might have saw an ad before my video started. Well, that's how I make money. YouTube shares that advertising revenue with me. So the majority of YouTubers, this is how they make money. They actually don't sell anything. They create content. Bloggers, they create content and then they let Google sell the advertising space while they just create content. And that's how the majority of majority of bloggers and YouTubers, that's how they make money. They actually don't try to sell anything. Now, the other thing is, let's assume that nothing happens unless you sell. But the thing is, before you can sell, you need to set up the foundation. Like, how do you sell without a support system, right? So how do you sell if you don't have an email list? How do you sell when you don't have a landing page? How do you sell? Well, you're going to go up to somebody and say, hey, you want to buy my stuff? No, right? Exactly. So before you can even sell anything, you need to have your foundation, your selling system in place. And that's your email list, that's your follow-up, that's your sales funnel, that's your blog, that's your YouTube channel, that's all that stuff. These are what I call foundation tools. And without these foundation tools, you can't really start selling, right? So nothing happens unless you sell is not true. Nothing happens unless you have your foundation tools in place. Then you can sell. Then you can create content and make money indirectly online, so to speak. So I already talked about the first foundation tool you need, and that's your email list. You need that. So let's talk about, there's actually 4 foundation tools you actually will need. And let's talk about the second one right now. So, and then in the next video, I'll talk about the third and the fourth. But email list is your first foundation tool. As I use Aweber, I use Constant Contact. Either one of those will work. I have links below that. The second foundation tool you need is your blog. That's the foundation tool. You need a blog. If you don't have a blog, well, you need to set one up. And why need a blog? Because in my case, the blog is where how I built my readership, where I get people to read my content. Because when someone comes to my blog, I want them to subscribe to my email list. So my blog is my traffic generator. And so you will need a blog as well. And the great thing about blog is that, like email, it's really, really inexpensive to set up. We're talking like a domain name costs $9.95, less than $10. And web hosting can be had for like less than $5 a month. And if you use my coupon code with HostGator, like I'm hosted by HostGator. I've been hosted by them forever, pretty much. And I have they give me a coupon code that gives you like 60% off the web hosting. So I have a link below that too. You want to check out my hosting deal, and that's what set up my blog. I'll even set up for you as well. So yay, no problem. So email list and a blog set up by HostGator or any web host. Those are two foundation tools, and there's two other ones, but I'll talk about those in the next video. I'll talk about next video. But for now, I just want to clear up the thing that nothing happens unless you sell. Well, not true. You can make money without selling. The majority of people who make money online make money without selling a single thing. They produce content and they make money off the advertising on the blog. They make money off the advertising on the YouTube channel, and that's how most people make money. Because let's face it, most people don't let it sell. I don't let it sell. I hate selling. I mean, it's not me. But I'll produce content. And the content gets monetized. All right. John Shaw, JohnShaw.com. Thank you very much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like that message. Welcome your feedback. Leave it down below. Like and share my video. Subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys on the next episode.